Today I want to discuss about full adder. So, what is full adder? It is also a combinational circuit. It performs the two or three binary bits. The addition of two or three binary bits is called full adder. In here, from in this full adder, we can the inputs is A, B, and the carry is from the previous column of the from the previous the previous column. So the three inputs means A, B, and C. This is the three inputs in full adder. The output is also sum and carry here. So the three input means, so this is the truth table representation. So 0 0 0 and 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 1, and here 1 0 0, and here 1 0 1 and 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. So this is the three inputs of the full adder. So the output here, the sum and carry. Sum means sum performs the XOR operation and carry performs the AND operation. So here 0 in XOR operation means here 0 1 1 0, and here 1 0 0 1. This is the sum, and carry means here 0 0 0 1 and 0 1 1 1. So this is the truth table of the full adder. And so the block schematic diagram of full adder means here full adder. Okay, this is the three inputs, and here C in. The carry in means it is from the previous column. It is comes from the previous column, means from half adder. In half adder, the what we got from the carry. So the carry is connected to the input of is connected to the input of full adder. So here sum and carry out. Okay, so this is the block schematic of the full adder. And the so from the truth table of the full adder, we can it will be to produce the correct sum and carry. Okay, so now we can explain the sum for the sum and for carry. So from sum, S equals to the possible inputs are A, B, and C in. So here A bar, B bar, C in plus A bar, B, C bar in plus A, B bar, C bar in plus A, B, C in. So we can perform the XOR operation in sum. So here the carry means C equals to A AB into into C in. So the C equals to AB plus AC in plus B C in. So this is the carry and this is the sum. So now we can draw draw the logic design of the sum and carry. So the logic design is this is the Cn, this is A and this is B. And this is C out and this is sum equals to plus C. Okay, so this is sum and this is C out. C out means A plus B into C in plus AB, and here C in and AB. So this is the design of the combination of sum and carry is designed in both are designed in the one logic circuit. Okay, so the next one is we can draw the logic circuit is separately sum and carry. Here the sum means so these are the four. So the first one is A bar, B bar, C in, and the second one is A bar, B and C bar in, and third one is A, B bar, C bar in, and fourth one is A, B and C in. Okay, so here the OR operation is there. So this is the sum. The sum, this is output and these are the inputs. Here the AND operation is there. Here the OR operation, the combination of AND operation and OR operation we can design like this. This is the sum. And here carry. Carry means here AB, A C in, B C in. So we can draw the carry. A B and next one is A C in and third term is B C in. So these are also here C out. So this is the logic diagram of the carry. The next topic is continue on next video.